You've been lied to, not just by dealerships, but by your own habits. That's why most cars die before 150,000 miles. But if you kick these 11 bad habits, your car could live past 300,000. And trust me, I've seen engines die faster than a teenager's TikTok trend. So let's break it down. Trick 1. Stop warming up forever. You think idling for 10 minutes makes your car happy? Nope. That's like feeding it black coffee on an empty stomach. After 2 minutes, just drive gently. Your oil heats up 8 times faster when moving than when sitting. Idling every morning is slow death, and expensive Starbucks death at that. Trick 2. Brake like a human, not a maniac. Every panic stop is a $900 donation to the brake shop. Slam the pedal, and you roast your rotors at 1200 degrees. That's not sporty, that's stupid. Coast early, save your brakes. It's not a race, unless you're late for Taco Tuesday. Trick 3. Don't cook your engine with coolant neglect. Modern aluminum engines warp if they hit 230 degrees Fahrenheit. That's one bad day away from a $3,800 repair. Flush your coolant every 3 to 5 years and never mix colors. Green isn't the same as red, unless you're colorblind and rich. Trick 4. Check coolant leaks, not just your Instagram. If your coolant keeps disappearing, it's not magic. It's a leak. Radiator, hoses, head gasket. Something's crying under that hood. Ignoring it is like topping off your phone with duct tape. It doesn't work, and it will die. Trick 5. Dump the junk. Your SUV isn't a U-Haul. Every 100 pounds of useless junk is 1,000 pounds of stress in a panic stop. I've seen crossovers loaded with tools like mobile home depots, suspension blown, shocks crying, $1,400 repair bill. Travel light. Your car is not your closet. Trick 6. Listen to your car's horror movie. Ticking, whining, clunking. Those aren't background beats. They're warning signs. Ignore them, and you'll turn your car into a horror sequel called The Wallet Massacre. A $40 squeal today saves you from a $1,200 nightmare tomorrow. Trick 7. Quit riding the clutch. Manual drivers, that's you. Resting your foot on the clutch? Congrats. You're slowly roasting it into dust. That's a $1,500 lazy habit. Shift to neutral at lights. Use the handbrake on hills. Foot off the pedal, unless you're shifting. Period. Trick 8. Stop driving on fumes. Running on empty? Cool. You're also frying your fuel pump, a $600 repair. That pump needs fuel to stay cool. Below a quarter tank, it's sucking in hot air and gunk from the bottom of the tank. Keep it above a quarter or start a savings account for repairs. Trick 9. Don't be cheap on spark plugs. Spark plugs are $60. Engines are 6,000. Do the math. I've seen engines destroyed by bargain plugs that couldn't spark a birthday candle. Stick with NGK, Denso, Bosch. Quality only. Cheap plugs equal expensive regrets. Trick 10. Undercarriage car wash equals rust protection. Think washing your paint makes you clean? Nah, the rust is laughing under your car. One salty winter, and your frame looks like a breadstick. Rinse the undercarriage. It's not vanity, it's survival. Trick 11. Use the e-brake every single time. That P gear in your automatic, it's not a brake, it's a little finger, holding 3,500 pounds of steel. Break it, and hello, $2,800 transmission rebuild. Use the parking brake every time. Flat ground, uphill, downhill, I don't care. Respect. The e-brake. Do these 11 simple things, and your car will thank you by outliving your neighbor's shiny lease special. Ignore them, and well, I'll see you in the shop. Want to know the 13 biggest scams mechanics pull on drivers? That's my next video. Click it now, before your wallet becomes the next victim.